now let's look at 4.12. This is word problems of linear inequality. So linear inequality like አንዳንድ ጥያቄዎች በወርድ ፕሮብሌም ሊመጡ ይችላሉ። ሶ በወርድ ፕሮብሌም ሲመጡ this the steps we need to take to solve the word problems. You first need to understand the problem. Second, you need to set up the model. And third, you need to solve the problem. Okay, let's look at one example. Very simple example. A student has 120 birr and wants to buy some exercise book and pens. The cost of one exercise book is 20 birr and that of a pen is 10 birr. Write the mathematical expression. Okay, so cost of ሁለት ነገሮች አሉ. Book and exercise book and pen, right? So one pen costs 10 birr and exercise book costs 20 birr, right? So if I put 20 times x, it tells me like how much money I can spend on exercise book, right? X is the number of exercise book. If I do 10 times y, it tells me how much money I can spend on pens, because y is pen, 10 is the cost of one pen. So the left side of the inequality has to be less than 120 because the maximum money I have is 120 ብር ስለሆነ ማለት ነው. So the amount of money I spend on both pen and exercise book has to be less than 120 ማለት ነው. So now the concept is from the from the word problem, we like reduce it to a mathematical model, and this model is exactly we came up with an equality ማለት ነው. So እንደዚህ ያደረግን ነው solve የምናደርገው ማለት ነው. So we'll look at more examples. Okay, let's look at example 2. So example 2 says a taxi charges a flat rate of 1.75 birr plus an additional birr of 0.75 per kilometer. So 0.75 cents. If Salam has at most 10 birr to spend on a car ride, how far could she travel? Okay, so to solve this, we have to first, come up with an equality, and this is how we go about it. Okay, the cost of a taxi ride is this, right? So if I put cost of taxi ride is somebody has to pay a flat amount of 175 birr plus they have to pay 0.75 cents per kilometer. So this is how much a person will spend on a taxi, right? Okay, now Salam has only 10 birr, right? So she can only spend 10 birr maximum. So it means the cost of the taxi for her, which is this, has to be less than or equal to 10. Why 10? Because she only has 10 birr, and this is the cost of the taxi. So the cost of taxi for Salam has to be less than or equal to 10. So if we solve for x, so if I collect like terms, so you have 10 minus 1.75, right? And if I solve for x becomes less than or equal to 11 kilometers. So what this means is that for the amount of money she has, she can only take a taxi for 11 kilometers only. So this down 11 ብለን ብንከት definitely ከ10 ብር አያልፍም ማለት ነው, in other words. So the answer is she can only go up to 11 kilometers for the 10 birr she has. Okay, so now we are on section 4.13. So the objective of this section is we'll be able to learn how to draw an inequality graph. We also learn how to shade regions of the solution. So ሁለት ኦብጀክቲቭ ነው ያለው. አንደኛው ኦብጀክቲቭ ምንድነው? To learn how to draw an equality graph. Second objective is to learn how to find the solution of an equality by shading the graph ማለት ነው. Okay, so let's look at two examples. So for example, graph the solution set of the following inequalities. So the inequality says y is less than 5x plus 7. So in the solution የምንፈልገው, we take y less than 5x plus 7 ወደ inequality ወደ equation ቀይሯል ማለት. So we just pretend as if this is an equation. So you do y equal to 5x plus 7. ሶ የ5x + 7 ኢኳል ቱ y ግራፍ እንስላለን ማለት ነው። ግራፉን ስስል የዚህ ግራፍ ከት የሚያደርገው y ኮኦርዲኔት ምን ላይ ነው? 7 ላይ። ሶ ዩ ማርክ 7 you also you find one point like it could be the y intercept ላይ y is 0 እሱን ሳደርገው y intercept is between 0 and 2 ሶ እሱ ፖይንት አለ። ሁለቱም ፖይንቶች ጆይን ስናደርጋቸው ግራፉን ሰጠን ማለት ነው። ሶ ናው I have the graph of y is equal to 5x + 7 ሶ ናው ወደ ኢኒኳሊቲ ይመጣለሁ ማለት ሶ y is less than this graph ከተባለ ከዚህ ግራፍ እንዳለ የሚያንስሰውን ኤሪያ ሼድ አደርጋለሁ ማለት ልክ ሼድ ሳደርገው I'll get to the orange section ማለት ነው። So the orange section is the solution for this inequality ማለት ነው። Okay, now let's look at question B on the whiteboard. Okay, question B says draw or find the solution for this inequality. Okay. So first you remember ቅድም እንደተባለው ይሄን ወደ ኢኩዌሽን ቀይሯለሁ ማለት ከዛው come back to my inequality. Okay, so I will draw a graph. Okay, this is my y coordinate and this is my x coordinate. Okay, so this is 0 obviously. So let me mark the coordinates. So you have 2 here, you have -2 somewhere here. So you have -2 ziga and you have +2 here. So ይቀጥላል። So ይሄ አጭሩን ስለፈለኩ ነው ማለት ነው። So these are x coordinates. Okay, ይሄ ግራፍ ሄዶ ከት የሚያደርገው ምን ላይ ነው? 3 ላይ ነው, right? So the y intercept is here, somewhere here. So 3 ላይ ከት ያደርጋል። So I found one point ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሌላ ፖይንት ደግሞ ሄዶ ኤክስ ኢንተርሴፕትን ኤክስ ላይ ከት የሚያደርግበት ለማግኘት I put y as 0. So if I put y as 0, it becomes 2x plus 3. So 2x equal to -3. So x is -3/2. -3/2 ማለት -1.5 ማለት ነው። 1.5 እዚህ ጋር if I have -1, -1.5 is somewhere here, right? So here is -1.5. So እዚህ ጋር ሌላ ፖይንት አገኘው ማለት ነው። So now ሁለቱም ፖይንት ጆይን ሳደርግ it gives me the graph of the equation ማለት ነው። So this is the graph of the equation. So I'm going to label it as y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, now ቅድም እንደተባለው now I will go back to my inequality. So የዚህን inequality solution ለማግኘት so I will look at when this graph is above this line, right? So above this line, y is above this line ሲባል so I'm going to shade this whole region ማለት ነው። When I shade all this region, a region እንዳለ እዚህ ጋር ያሉት እንዳለ region becomes the solution for this inequality ማለት ነው። So this will be the final answer.